Wholesaling just became illegal in the state of South Carolina. Now let me tell you exactly what this means for your business and how you can adapt right now. What's up, guys? My name is Ben, and our team has flipped hundreds of houses across the southeastern United States. I live in Columbia, South Carolina, which is here at ground level where the new legislation is taking place. Now, with that said, it's important for wholesalers to be aware of what is taking place around the industry and be able to see what's coming down the horizon. It's crucial that you understand these changes so that you can continue operating your business and continue to do deals in the real estate investing game. Now, South Carolina's new bill is the largest legislation that has taken place across the United States. We're going to break down exactly what this bill means and the changes that take place as soon as the governor signs it into law. Now, you guys need to listen up because positioning yourself to navigate the challenges that are coming up is going to be absolutely important. Now, the new bill, South Carolina Bill 4754, has already passed the Senate. At this point, we're just waiting on the governor's signature to become a law. It's the first law aiming to prohibit wholesaling entirely. And the definition is pretty shocking, guys. It's going to change a lot of things, and you need to be aware of how you can stay legal and continue to do business in the state of South Carolina. Now, what the law breaks down is it's requiring wholesalers to essentially obtain a license in order to sell properties. Now, I'm going to break down exactly in 3 steps how they defined wholesaling, the licensing requirements, and how they're trying to prohibit it entirely. Now, step 1, define wholesaling. In the law, they define wholesaling as having a contractual interest in purchasing residential real estate from a property owner, and then marketing that property for sale to a different buyer prior to taking legal ownership. So this definition is extremely clear. Step 2 is the licensing requirements. It goes on to say, if you're advertising or marketing a property owned by somebody else, you fall under the broker definition and would need a license to legally continue your business practice. Here's where it takes a step further, because you would think, well, just get a license. Step 3, licensed real estate agents are prohibited from wholesaling. Real estate brokers and sub-agents will explicitly be prohibited from engaging in wholesaling under this new law completely. So I'm not sure if you recognize what just happened here, but they essentially required to sell or market property in the state of South Carolina, you had to be a licensed agent. And it goes on to say that any agents, brokers, sub-agents are explicitly prohibited from engaging in wholesaling practices, from helping or assisting wholesaling in any manner. Guys, this is big news, and it's time to really lean in. Now, this is going to provide an opportunity for wholesalers and those less experienced investors to band together with some more experienced operators, groups that are capitalized. At the current moment, we're looking for tons and tons of houses across the state of South Carolina. In order to navigate this landscape, you need to understand how to team up. So our team is aggressively, again, buying houses across the state, and we're always looking to collaborate with deal finders, people that can go out there, build relationships, even lock up contracts where we can come together and create win-win opportunities. Wholesalers don't go out there and market, don't break any laws. I'm not a lawyer, right? But I do know that you can never stop people from buying real estate, right? So now is the time that you really lean in, forge better relationships, and team up with active operators, folks that can keep you guys on the right path that can help your code of conduct and make sure that you're operating safely, legally, and complying to the new laws that are coming into practice. Now, if you're worried about these laws changing, guys, things are going to start moving very, very quickly. And there's a very good chance that states are going to follow suit behind this one, because essentially this is a legal framework that was just passed in the state of South Carolina. Lawmakers in other states will likely lean in, listen to, and start to mirror some of the same language in this bill. Now, I appreciate you guys tuning in this video. Again, there is a lot of changes that are taking place down the turnpike, but now is the best time as ever for real estate agents, real estate investors, real estate, I would say wholesalers, but you guys no longer exist. Just kidding. Guys, team up. Start rubbing shoulders, networking with active, capitalized groups, folks that can truly get deals done, that are true cash buyers and can create win-win situations. Let's dive in here, guys, and navigate the landscape together, because real estate is a team sport, and together we all achieve more. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can stay up to date with the latest news, strategies, insights, and tools to help you grow your real estate investing business. With that said, I'll see you on the other side.